Good morning, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Had a little struggle this week. I just couldn't figure out what to make. The month's challenge is sausage, and I was just drawing a blank. I already made biscuits and gravy, so I'm not going to do that twice. So, since it's morning, I'm going to be doing a sausage breakfast sandwich. It sounded pretty good, because breakfast is always one of my favorite meals. So let's get to it. Alright. Got my mid-sized skillet going. Gonna do some sausage links. I've also got 3 strips of bacon going. I'm using a non-stick skillet because that's how I prefer to do it. I got some support ware, so I'm gonna be doing some sausage or some hash browns too. These are those pre-formed hash brown patties. Not too bad. Alright, everything's cooking up, getting going, so. Alright, sausage is about done. Actually, it's probably done, so I went ahead and lowered the heat. Kind of keeping it hot. I'm going to do, what I was thinking about doing is, I was going to do like a grilled cheese with sausage and eggs on it. So I got some white bread, and then I got some American cheese. It's best for grilled cheese in my opinion. I got some butter in the pan. Get my cheese. Get my eggs in. I'm going to include a little bit of cheddar cheese as well. Yeah, cheesy breakfast sandwich. Well, that's. I'm going to go ahead and put my sausages on there. Alright. Alright. Eggs. Hash browns are cooking up nice and slow. Oop. There we go. Alright. Good. Not too dark. Alright. There you go. Here you have it. One sausage breakfast sandwich. I thought about putting hash browns on the sandwich, but changed my mind at the last minute. So normally I would eat this at the table, but I got a bunch of mail and a bunch of other junk on it, so here you go. Yeah, I would call that a win. Cheesy, eggy, delicious. Get that sausage in there. Oh, I forgot my bacon. Can't forget the bacon. Alright, anyway, do want to thank you for watching. Just a simple one this week, I guess. Next month, we'll see what the next month's challenge is, but don't forget to check the playlist below for Casting Wednesday, and also I'll link last week's video in the end, so if you missed it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.